Hi, my name's Curtis Travioli, and I've been with Schuil Ag Real Estate for just under a year. I'm a local here from Visalia, kind of North Visalia, Orosi area. Family's cattle ranching family. Been around since the kind of late 20s, almost 100 years, and we farmed here in the valley, and it's what I enjoy to do. Family's been in the cattle business and the citrus and walnut business. We have some pistachios. Went over to Cal Poly and studied ag over there, and then came back and decided to start a career in agriculture and real estate. I focus mainly on the cattle and citrus side. I've got some experience with pomegranates, pistachios, and walnuts, but family mainly farms on the citrus side and cattle ranch up in the foothills. I know cattle ground, that's my passion, it's what I really enjoy to do. And that's where I spend most of my time when I get any free time at all. I was born and raised in this area. I've farmed my whole entire life and ran cows my whole entire life. So I know all of this dirt like the back of my hand. I've had to do it from the ground up, plant the trees and take them all the way to the top, and brand calves all the way, take them to market. So I know this area. If you've got any questions or want to reach out to me for any of these listings, give me a call at 334-7638 or give me an email at curtis@schuil.com.